Now what has happened is, classically when we say AIMS, okay, we mean AIMS Delhi. अगर हम में से कोई भी डॉक्टर एम्स बोलता है, हम सोचते हैं एम्स दिल्ली, बिकॉज दैट इज द मोस्ट ओल्डेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एम्स इन द कंट्री. So if you're getting your MBBS in AIMS Delhi, go ahead and take it. There is no doubt about it. But the questions are, what if I am going in non-Delhi AIMS and versus, I see some children are saying, sir, I'm getting MGM Indore. Abhi somebody is saying, I'm getting SAIT GS, SMS Jaipur. So what I feel is, there are few things that you need to know. First of all, please notice the state PG quota. If you do your graduation from AIMS, you are not eligible for state PG quota in that city. Let me explain. अगर आप एम्स दिल्ली से पढ़ते हैं तो दिल्ली के जो पीजी सीट होती हैं उनके लिए आप एलिजिबल नहीं होते, लेकिन एम्स दिल्ली में आपको प्रेफरेंस मिलता है. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, इफ यू आर डूइंग योर एमबीबीएस फ्रॉम एम्स, you get preference in that particular AIMS during PG seat. And even in JIPMER you have a institute rank which gives you an edge over others, but you do not get eligibility for that state quota. But what are the advantages of getting into AIMS? Okay, what are the advantages of getting into AIMS? It is an autonomous body. Facilities and clinical exposures are very fast improving, and you get a lot of research opportunities in AIMS as well. I just want you to see this table. This will help us to, I think, solve this query. Now please see the year of establishment. कोई भी एम्स है, अभी मैं आपका भी क्वेश्चन आंसर कर रहा हूं, कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट है, it becomes by years. Like I told you that I have been running DAMS, my institute, for NEET PG preparation and next preparation for last 20 years. So I've spent 20 years of my life to create that institute. Similarly, I want you to look at AIMS Delhi. It was established in 1956. It was established in 1956. So you can see they have spent years building up AIMS Delhi. That is why AIMS, according to me, AIMS Delhi, if you are living in North, is the topmost institute for you. If you are from Tamil Nadu, JIPMER should be considered as at par with AIMS. Excellent teaching, wonderful academics, but there will be a language barrier if I'm a North Indian going back to JIPMER. Okay, but look at the other AIMS now. Now look at these AIMS which were established in 2012. Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Patna, Raipur, Rishikesh. I have a feeling now that if you had asked me this question 5 years back, मैं बोलता अभी ये नए हैं. अब ये नए नहीं है, ये पुराने हो गए. I'm again saying, look at the year of establishment. जो AIMS 2012 में बने हैं, I'm again repeating, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Patna, Raipur, Rishikesh. Okay, I am happy with taking them as at a very good level. मुझे लगेगा कि अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं. Okay, but then some of the children would say कि सर मैं भुवनेश्वर जाऊं कि भोपाल जाऊं. There is very little to choose between the two. I have seen mostly people pick it up according to their state that they belong to. Like, there will be consideration that you have to spend your 6 years of your life during MBBS. So you might want to, continue in your home state, or you might have some preference of, कि मैं भोपाल मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा शहर लगता है या भुवनेश्वर लगता है. You might have those preferences building up. If I look at the PG ranks, I have seen in the last few years, especially I have seen from our DAMS Bhubaneswar branch, a lot of AIMS Bhubaneswar students have actually got into top 5 ranks, top 1 rank in the AIMS PG entrance. So, I would keep these at the top, and then Jodhpur, Patna, Raipur, Rishikesh would be the ones which are, good AIMS as far as I am concerned. Now, if I go down now, there are institutes which were established in 2018, 2019, 2020. You can see them. I would say that although the name is AIMS, but they are too early to give you the advantage that you are seeking. मैं दोबारा कहना
Dr.
चाहता हूं.
Sethi, I want to interrupt you for a minute.
हाँ जी.
Dr. Sethi, you just said that AIMS Bhubaneswar is better than other AIMS in 2012, established in 2012. Is this something that you are saying? Because we have a lot of students.
नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रहा. मैं कह रहा हूँ वो घर के आधार पे. मैं कह रहा हूँ घर के आधार पे और अपने जहां हम रह रहे हैं उसके आधार पे हमें डिसाइड करना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है दोनों बराबर से ही होने चाहिए. कई लोग भोपाल ऊपर ले रहे हैं, कई लोग भुवनेश्वर ले रहे हैं. मेरा बस सिर्फ ये कहना था कि कुछ बच्चे पिछले 2-1 साल में भुवनेश्वर से रैंक्स बहुत अच्छे लाए पीजी के अंदर. मतलब बाकी कंसर्न बहुत सारे और भी हैं, लेकिन ये सिर्फ एक मतलब इसको बहुत आसान नहीं है इसमें एक रेट कर पाना, मुझे ये लगता है. बाकी आई थिंक कपिल वुड बी द बेस्ट
No,
मैन
I
टू
was
गाइड.
fascinated because I'll tell you at least what we are hearing from the students जो उन्होंने choices भरी है colleges की. We expect AIMS getting filled up much faster than last year.
Yes.
तो जो मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन बच्चों के आए हैं जो उन्होंने आपके लिए रखे हैं, देवर अराउंड पेरिफेरल एम्स. मैं बीजे मेडिकल कॉलेज अहमदाबाद जाऊं, एसएमएस जयपुर जाऊं, या ऋषिकेश जाऊं और भोपाल जाऊं और जोधपुर जाऊं. सो
मैं
ये
आ रहा हूँ उसमें.
डेफिनेटली दे आर ऑन देयर अपस्विंग. तो जब आपने भुवनेश्वर बोला और आपने कहा कि वहां से पीजी रैंक आए हैं, मुझे तो सुनाई दिया, इन बच्चों को और भी ज्यादा सुनाई दिया होगा. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड
नहीं
टू
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. मैं अभी ठीक कर रहा हूँ उस बात को, मैं अभी ठीक कर रहा हूँ कपिल. आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छा पॉइंट है. और कोई भी बात को, मेरी बात में अगर आपको डाउट आता है, आप जरूर पूछिए, क्योंकि जिंदगी की बात है, कहीं ऐसा ना हो मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर लें. मेरा ये मानना है कि जो स्टेट के बेस्ट कॉलेजेस हैं, they have a lot of legacy to it. जैसे I think Kapil has mentioned SMS Jaipur. It is one of the best colleges in Rajasthan, and plus it gives you the full access to state PG seats in Rajasthan. It has full clinical exposure. So we can. It is not an easy decision to say कि मैं SMS Jaipur ना जाके मैं AIMS में जाऊंगा जहां मुझे PG की seats भी कम होंगी. और मैं तो I would be like, although AIMS has its own value and charm because of the funding that they get, then the facilities that they have. But my entire message so far was the AIMS which were established in 2012 are still, should be considered, but not. It's not easy to say over the best colleges in state. Just BJ Ahmedabad, I personally am aware of it. It is an excellent place and it has excellent clinics and it's a lot of legacy to it. तो स्टेट के बेस्ट कॉलेज से कंपेयर करने में इट विल बी वेरी ट्रिकी. Because now imagine, now suppose you are living in Rajasthan, suppose you are a person who is a resident of Rajasthan, and if you study in SMS, you are likely to get your PG seat with ease in Rajasthan itself, and you will be growing your career there. Then it will make less sense for you to go to peripheral AIMS and then come back there and lose your state PG quota as well. थोड़ा सा सोचना पड़ेगा इसके अंदर. ये एकदम ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट डिसीजन नहीं है, ऐसा ना सोचें. आई थिंक मुझे ये पहले बोलना चाहिए था. ऐसा ना सोचें कि कोई भी आपके बिहाफ पे डिसीजन ले पाएगा. डिसीजन आपको सोचना पड़ेगा बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स में, जिसमें क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर हो सकता है. जो एम्स 2012 से आसपास बने हैं, दे वुड हैव गुड क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर, गुड ऑटोनोमस फंक्शनिंग, गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज, लेकिन स्टेट पीजी कोटा लॉस होगा वहां पे. आई वांट दिस टू बी वेरी क्लियर टू यू. Okay, and so I see one bacha again and asking, sir, should I go for FM MGM Indore or AIMS Hyderabad? So if we again look at AIMS Hyderabad in our table, I think it is there somewhere.
Yeah, it's very low. It's one of the new ones.
So AIMS Telangana, I think it was 2019 one. So MGM Indore is a traditional college. I would be putting my bets there, but I would want you to do your own research. Go there and see. It is important. And again, one bacha Niharika has asked, SAT GS versus SAT GS is the best college in Maharashtra. When I see their PG seats, PG ranking, SAT GS KM is one of the best colleges in Maharashtra. So if you belong to Maharashtra, it is like a branded. When I look at doctors, if somebody is from Delhi and he says I am from Maulana Azad Medical College, or somebody from Mumbai says I am from SAT GS KM, I would consider them at par. मतलब मुझे लगता है दोनों ही बड़े ब्रांड है. Let me give that word to you, brand value. Now this brand value is not similar to what happens in engineering कि IIT से पढ़ा तो तोप होगा, ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ पे. यहाँ क्योंकि डॉक्टर में सभी मेहनत करते हैं, सब पढ़ाई करते हैं. But it gives you an advantage when you meet somebody and you tell that, okay, I'm from SAT GSKM. It is an excellent college, excellent exposure, and Maharashtra has one of the highest number of PG seats also. So it would be, I would keep it up. I would keep SAT GS at one of, and you can see whatever I'm saying, you can also see it in the last year's counseling. I think Kapil already mentioned this.
I can share it quickly if you give me a minute.
Please.
You will have to make me the host again, Dr. Sethi.
Okay, let me just try. I hope now you're the host.
Yes. So, Dr. Sethi, I'll let you speak on it. I think you speak much more knowledgeably about this, but what you were saying was there is some reason for this ranking, and this ranking probably is saying कि AIIMS Delhi closes first, then Maulana Azad, then Safdarjung, then JIPMER, uh, then UCMS, then RML, then Lady Harding. अब आप नीचे की तरफ आएंगे तो ये जो रैंकिंग्स हैं all the way up to almost 254 colleges, where last college is your northeast colleges. Raja Muthaiya Medical College, Zoram Medical College, which is in Mizoram, Agartala College, Tomoriba, which is Arunachal Pradesh, Barpeta, Imphal, Tejpur. So this is giving you an idea per se in terms of आपको इस बात का आइडिया लग रहा है कि लोग क्या चीज प्रेफर कर रहे हैं. It is a fairly good indicator of which colleges carry more weight, have more brand value. जो डॉक्टर सेठी ने जो वर्ड यूज किया था, more brand value compared to other colleges. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि लोग पर्सनल चॉइसेस नहीं लेंगे. यदि आप यहाँ पे जीजी बाई को देखेंगे, पुणे में जो है, पिछले साल एक स्टूडेंट ने जीजी बाई सेलेक्ट किया था. लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली फाइंड आउट वेयर इज जीजी बाई इन पुणे. जस्ट वन मोमेंट. तो यदि आप जीजी बाई को देखेंगे, भाईराम जीजी बाई पुणे, someone selected it over AIIMS Delhi. 43 रैंक पे ओपन हुआ था. So there would be local choices. Dr. Sethi, there was a student who chose BJ Medical College in Pune last year over AIIMS Delhi. So those things are going to be there. But what this sheet clearly gives you an idea is, आपको यदि चूज करना है और आपको आइडिया नहीं लग रहा, तो दुनिया ने हिस्टोरिकली ऐसे चूज किया. लास्ट ईयर this is a fairly good representative of which colleges are above compared to others. This is GMC Chandigarh is a very good college. Seth GS is right there, जो डॉक्टर सेठी कह रहे थे.